Hey everybody, Ken Madden with Goldstrike, and today I want to show you how to install our passenger phone ball mount onto our armrest setup. So it's a pretty simple thing. There's a little pre-assembly to have happen and it just pops right in there, so let me get right to it. So here's the assembly of parts that we're going to put together to show you what you need to do to get it to fit on the bike. First part you're going to want to know about is this piece here. This is the key that makes everything work. There's a little notch right here that fits in the hole, we'll show you in a minute, and you want that to be placed on the top, and then this turns forward to lock it like that. So you want to make sure when you place this part on top that you're on the right side. So if you're on the left side, you do it like this. If you were doing this on the right side, you'd do it like that. So that'll make more sense in a minute, but let's put this all together. You have an O-ring. It comes with an O-ring here. And we're going to place that O-ring in this groove right there. So just simply roll it over. So it looks like that. Okay. Now we're going to put the spring in here, but that'll go in when we install it on the bike in a minute. That's what the spring's for. This part here, we've got the carriage bolt, which will sit inside of this. And then you're going to do a nylon washer. Okay, and then as I showed you, this faces up and it's going to turn forward, so we want to have this sit like that, and you can see there's a locking tab on the bottom that's going to lock it from going too far. Then you want to put the second nylon washer, and then the metal washer, and then the nylon locking nut. And then all you got to do is tighten it up. You don't have to get it super tight. You're just going to get it snug because this is adjustable, so you can put whatever tension you want on it. Now let me go to the other side of the bike and I'll show you how to put this on the armrest. Okay, well the Goldstrike armrests come with this little plug that plugs the hole that this is going to go into, and you simply just pull that right out and you can set that aside. You won't be needing that again unless you want to plug the hole when you take this out. So again, we have a spring. This is the one I was talking about earlier. This spring just slides right into there. And then you want to have this notch right here facing up. And you're going to put that in and give it, you push it in with some force and then turn it, and it'll only go so far. And then this is where you have your adjustment. You can put your phone holder on here and adjust it where you want. The tighter this is, the stronger this is going to stay. If you want to keep it so that it moves, you can leave this a little bit loose. It's a locking nut on there so it won't come apart. So that's it. That's all there is to it. When you want to put your phone on there now, we have our phone holders sold separately. We have a few different versions you can get, and it's the same as all of our ball mounts. You just snap that on there like that, tighten that down, and then cam it in. You're good to go. Anyway, I'm Ken Madden with Goldstrike, and go to goldstrike3d.com for all the fitment on these and to order your own today. Have a great ride, and now your passenger will be able to see what they're doing here on their phone too.